Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
Tomasi Mataele, Tyrone Mohini.
Elijah Talopi, Nehemiah Louisville.
Looking for their first win at home. Ball takes a bounce. Good hands there on full time. Clear by Brown, Famuina. Hastings from the back. Looking very dangerous. You saw Alameko a moment ago.
It's going to be the first pedal.
And the captain,
For Heretaunga.
Robinson in the corner. About 9 metres of halfway. Showed the ball there a moment ago to Tier. Made a couple of very good tackles.
Oh, it's been turned over.
Yes, it has. That's Mike Brown. Mike Brown down the middle. So Hastings there affecting a turnover. And coming again and coming hard.
Hastings on the run still.
Talalupe, the big guy. Their big number 3.
Fast runner.
He's got a turn of speed. There's no doubt about that for a big guy. Famuina. Good play here from Hastings. Remember, they lead at the moment by 5 points. 5-0. Hastings lining up here.
Them Breeze Tahu, that was.
Right in front of the posts at the old rectory end. Okay, penalty Gisborne. Rotorua swept Gisborne at Rokura last weekend. That's
What a pass.
Lovely pass, actually giving Isamele Vono an opportunity to run. He stumbles down the sideline. Gisborne boys arrive en masse. That was Punahi, I think, clearing the ruck.
18th birthday for him today too, Ben.
Turned 18 today.
18 today.
Wow, this will make it a big party. They get a result. No doubt about that. And at the moment, 5-0. Hamblin.
Pona. Saffin.
Okay, Saffin to Wairua Brown, who is a looser.
Saffin!
A brilliant
Saffin on the run!
Saffin to
Saffin's
Wairua
up!
Brown. Saffin to Wairua Brown.
Saffin's still on his feet.
Waits for support, gets it. Okay, Impala Waipara to ground just outside the 22. Gisborne boys are rocking and rolling now. They're rocking. Round about a metre up from the 22. Gisborne boys.
And it's been turned over from Hastings.
Yes. Outstanding defence, but they're penalised here by referee Smith. Pound for pound, as strong as anyone out there.
And it's been turned over.
Another turnover, and that's something that gives.
Oh!
That was Robinson, I think. Okay, and the tackle was perhaps a little high there on Triumph Voice. It's a dangerous player himself. Famuina coming. They're running shoulder to shoulder.
I don't know what that was.
Good scrum platform from Hastings. Good effort there, Famuina. Okay, for Rollins, that's Robinson. Good pass, nice pass from Robinson. Hastings, a classy outfit. Hastings with classy back play. Okay. Right there on halfway. Big white stripe. Ground in perfect condition. Marty Ryan.
Oh, and he's off.
Okay. Hastings going to be hard.
Hastings on the run now.
Going to be hard to haul in from here, but they have been hauled in for the moment. For the briefest of moments. Gisborne boys now. Hamblin. He needs
boys all the way.
No man is an island. And Hamblin is dragged down. Good tough stuff.
Tūranga still with the ball now.
Okay, 1 or 2 tough passes. Nice pass.
Nice.
Saffin to Wairua Brown. And
Leach.
they make a break here. Gisborne boys trying very hard to get over the advantage line they have. Taurangi Leach Waihi. Nice pass from Beattie. Gisborne there with momentum now. Gisborne on the front foot now. Got to keep going forward.
Brown, Punahihi.
Okay, Puna has it. Was going to throw a tough pass. Held the ball up. Just needed somebody there on his left shoulder. Guys are crying for the ball out wide. Gisborne boys have the ball. One of the Hastings players hit it, but they've played strongly. BT now to Wairua Brown. Nice hands. Gisborne boys creatively with an opportunity.
Timmy's away.
To Muaki Stewart. Hooks the pass back in field. Gisborne boys keep the ball alive. They can't let it die. They cannot let it die. Gisborne boys to ground. Did they lose the ball on the floor? Do they have it still? Do they have it yet? Gisborne boys drive again, coming around to the right. That's a lovely pass. Was it Stewart?
Be a try ball.
It is a try.
Gisborne Boys High School.
At the moment, Philly with the cutout pass. Played well, Southwick.
Southwick's had an awesome game.
Stuck his hand up today. Here's Lemeko, this impressive specimen. Lemeko has been very powerful today.
What a run!
He doesn't know when he's tackled. He's supposed to stop. Hastings tacking hard here. Billy Villon, Nehemiah, the Colossus. Within 5 metres of the line now. Gisborne boys under pressure.
And it's going to be a try to Hastings.
Easy here at the rectory. Halfway, Gisborne to restart. 17-5. Nice catch, Nehemiah. He's shown a high level of skill in addition to muscle.
After that try from Hastings, there's 3 pedal Hastings and 1 pedal Tūranga tāne.
Okay, here's a Tavake. Tavake has made ground every time he's touched the ball. He has done well, Tavake. Today, Gisborne boys trying to get over the ball. They have the ball. 17-5, again getting over the gain line. This is an area where they haven't tested the opposition too much. Safin to Wairua Brown. Hops out of a tackle. How did he do that? How did he do that? Well, Safin to Wairua Brown. Incredible what he did. Gisborne boys.
There's going to be another try for Tūranga tāne.
Hastings holding on to the ball here. They're showing their resilience. There's Membrance Tahu.
Membrance, awesome game for Membrance today.
He's played with pride today, Membrance. An unforgettable performance from the Hastings Rake. And there's Rafe Robinson, scored 1 try. Rafe Robinson is the captain in. And after that, Hastings will try and put the squeeze on them. The scrum is a good one. Punahihi ran very, very hard there, Punahihi.
Kept them with a strong run.
Yeah, Gisborne boys, though, turned the ball over. Sometimes you're that keen to make metres. And they're over.
A try.
And Hastings now seem to be settling some sort of pattern.
Oh, they have overlap.
Not quite sure what happened there to Villon.
Chip kick.
Okay, Gisborne boys under pressure.
Pace.
Okay, is that Safin to Wairua Brown? Okay, caught a little high there. Play will go on. Referee Smith playing advantage, and that's a good thing. Gisborne boys trying to carry the ball.
I wonder if there's going to be a yellow card.
You could not meet a nicer young man than Phil Berg-Villon. He went to ground pretty heavily. Here's Membrance Tahu. They hammer on him. Okay. The work ethic of these Hastings forwards is astounding.
Marcus Leach.
Leach good effort. Okay, and it's a long restart.
Awesome whana.
Okay, 40 metres. Here's Carver. And Carver, man, has he looked as if he could beat a guy one-on-one out there today. Membrance Tahu.
Membrance Tahu.
Front door man. Good stuff there from Membrance Tahu. Okay, nice pass, Robinson, unselfish player.
And it's going to be another try, Hastings.
Okay, marvellous try there, Triumph Voice. Punahihi, hard there into Marshall Landon Lane, who's done his fair share of work in the tight. Safin runs for the gap. Nice play, great pass by Safin to Wairua Brown. A kick, a chip. Pluck wings off a fly. Good solid stuff, Lemeko. Okay, Gisborne boys, that's a Safin going to give it to man now. It's a merely one-handed pass. An unusual looking pass. Gisborne boys around about 13 metres out from halfway.
That's early right there.
Trailing by 19 points. Trailing by 19 points. 29-10. Hoofed into touch. An amazing game. 29 points to 10.
Down with this.
You try, but you can't see me.
'Cause I'm down with this.
Fuck, I don't know, and you know.